My video is about removing fake Chrome update alerts that come from the website Playmostcurrentthefile.vip. It's a deceptive website that may periodically attack your Google Chrome browser. It is presented as some crucial browser update, but in reality, dealing with these fake update alerts is extremely dangerous. If you download any of such fake updates into your Google Chrome, a lot of crucial settings of your browser may be changed. These fake Chrome update alerts may promote certain third-party browser extensions that may change a lot of crucial browser settings. For instance, the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab too. So please be careful. Treat these fake browser update alerts with extreme caution. Do not install anything that they promote or suggest you to install. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and delete any third-party extensions you might find here. Now, to make sure that this system is free of other threats, I would recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this official website to download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Combo Cleaner can help you very well to detect and delete the majority of adware type threats, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and other threats. Sometimes, because of the adware in place, your browser may function not in a very good manner. You may experience some internet downfalls, but Combo Cleaner will help you very well to remove any adware that slows down your computer. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and then start carefully researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.